Ka Shillong Nabon Women's Synod College minta kasngi kala rakia ka apun riu annual meet jong ka college ka balalong ha mission compound hall. Hakati kasngi ka college kala yoban palat Paidbah ka kot magazine bat ka website jong ka college. Hakati kasngi la yo ru banya don lang uba ransom sutenga kumukongsan ubala yo ban palat Paidbah ka website jong ka college la yo ru ka jingkren nau te kongsan habau le thu bakalong ka jingsuk shishai ki wei pat ki jat ban riu na ki wei pat ki jela ban yo jingtip shipang ka college. Lai don lang ru Reverend P Nyota ubala yo ban palat Paidbah ka magazine jong ka college hakajuk kapor ulalong ru kum u president jong ka governing body jong ka college. Hagatay ka program layo ka jingkren na ikong isi bla ibalong kum i principal jong ka college layo ru ka jingrai bakarpang na kisamla puli jong ka college kumju ka jingshat pliang ni kisamla NSS unit jong ka college layo ban penkut ikatay ka program da ka jingrai anthem jong ka college.
The activities, and in this sector we really need to improve, especially in the sector of education. Now, last 3 weeks, I was in Kolkata. Went for a special meeting with Hitachi, MGRN, support and solutions, especially in education system. To improve the system, especially, to improve for statewide digital education system. And today I'm standing here to tell you that from my side, as I've said, just in a very short time, I was associated with the college. Only a few months. I came to the college. I saw the college by myself, and we have many things to do, especially to improve in infrastructure. I was just thinking, to improve college infrastructure, we need to really, work hard. We need to work together. The college and even, well-wishers who are supporting the college. Today, I'm happy to see well-wishers like Timet Besar Lata, Barong Port, who have contributed so much for this college. I'm very, very happy. And I wish that, we will mobilize more well-wishers for this college, especially to improve in infrastructure. This college has to have, its own play field. All right? And we will do that through many, many schemes of the government. And not only through government, but we can also do maybe through CSR of different companies.